In today's video, we'll be doing a quick demo about how to use the SpeedyJig monkey's fist jig to tie a monkey's fist. Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. So, yeah, we're looking at the monkey's fist jig by SpeedyJig today. This is more of just a quick demo on how to use it and whatnot. I'll do a full review about all the nitty-gritty of this jig very shortly after. And yeah, just a quick demo on how to use this. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for the products, I guess today's product is the SpeedyJig. If you're looking for where to get that, you can check the links down below. And also a huge thank you to all my Patreon patrons. Got a few new pledges this past couple months, so that's really awesome. So thank you guys for that. And yeah, guys, if you like what I do, you can always check me out on Patreon. You can see what I have to offer there. I do exclusive giveaways and tutorials for Patreon patrons, so you can check that out. All right, so that being said, let's get into the tutorial. So to get started with the setup of the jig itself, there's not too much to go through. I'll just show you really quickly. You've got these 4 metal rods here. They are adjustable, so you can adjust for the size of your monkey's fist core. You know, it'll go right in here. And setting that up is really easy. I'm just gonna show you one of them because they're all the same. All you have to do is unscrew these 2 plastic kind of nuts here. So you've got this threaded metal rod here, right? And that unscrews like so. So you just screw the first one in like that all the way. And then you put the thread through this end right here. So it comes out the bottom and then you screw that on, okay? And then you would then adjust to the required size for the size of the core you're using, okay? So you set that up, and of course you can see there's 2 X's here, so you can either tie your monkey's fist vertically or on an angle. I think the angle shot is better for this tutorial, and I think it's overall a little bit easier, but don't quote me on that. Okay, so that's just the quick setup there, and now let's get into the method. Okay, so to start tying the monkey's fist with the SpeedyJig, I've got this little plastic ball. This actually comes with a kit. I'll talk more about that in my review. But yeah, just a little plastic ball. I think it's maybe about 1 inch or 1.25 inches. I'll put the exact measurement here. Of course, I've got my paracord. All right. And we're doing a 5-pass monkey's fist. All right. So this is how we're going to get started. We're going to start by wrapping around this way. I'm going to take the short end of the paracord. You're just going to lay it across like so, like right here. And then we're going to do 5 passes. So the key here when using this jig is don't wrap too tightly, because that'll cause these flexible rods to bend in, and it's not going to damage them, but it's going to cause issues for you later when you're tying your monkey's fist. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, and that'll be 5. Okay, so from here we're going to bend our paracord this way. Okay, so we went wrapping this way. Now we're going to wrap that way. So let's change up the angle a bit first. So from here, we're going to start wrapping horizontally. Okay, we're going to go around, and now I'm going to go, let me show you this real quick. I'm going to go behind everything. So I'm in between the metal rods here. Okay, this first one's a little tricky, so bring that to the front or towards you, like so. Okay, and then make sure you trap that shorter end right here. See how it's trapped there? Okay, and now we're going to start wrapping our 5 passes horizontally. So let's continue going this way. Okay, and make sure, as always, make sure your cords do not overlap. Okay, there we go. So we've done our 5 passes. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, we've got our 5 passes on either side. And now we're going to start going this way. So now from here, I've got my fid attached to my paracord. I've got my extension on there too, attached with a bit of tape. Now we're going to start going horizontal, or sorry, vertically again, and we're going to be going above and below the monkey's fist core, that red ball. So we're going to go through the top, like so. Then we're going to go in between the metal bars. I'm just going to bring that forward a bit first. This part's a little tricky. It's a little weird because you got to work around the rods. Okay, so bring that towards you, like so. And then that is how we're going to start wrapping the passes in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to do my 5 passes going across the middle. Okay, so I'm almost done now. As you can see, I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4 passes. Now this, I find this tends to happen with jigs, monkey fist jigs. You're gonna run out of space. So at this point, we can just take it off the jig. You're gonna take it off the jig anyway. We've only got 1 more pass to do, so I'm gonna remove it like so. Okay, let me get this guy out of the way. Okay, now from here, we can just continue and finish off those last little passes, because those rods, they kind of do get in the way. And let's make sure we're got all our passes. Oh, almost overlapped there. Okay, so 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're good. Okay, so taking the monkey's fist off the jig, and now we just have to cinch it up. Okay, and there we have it. I got all that excess paracord cinched out of the monkey's fist. And I would say this is a really good example of a well-made monkey's fist. The passes are even, and pretty even, and yeah, overall it turned out quite well. So yeah, overall, just kind of quick verdict on the monkey's fist jig is that yeah, it's good. It's a very good product. I'm gonna do a full, more in-detailed review for that. I didn't want to just drone on and on when I'm making this monkey's fist. I just want to show you how it works. But yeah, I will have that full review up shortly, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yep, just a quick overview on how to use the SpeedyJig monkey's fist jig. Works well actually. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you're looking for where to get the SpeedyJig, check out my link in the description down below. You can support the channel that way, going through those links. And yeah, we'll definitely see you on the next video where I talk more about the actual jig itself. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.